Nigeria is set to bring up something good that no one has ever imagined in life before. Why do I say this? This is like a waking up to Nigeria. Nigeria is now producing a vessel. Did you hear that? In fact, I will allow you to watch this video so that you will get more news concerning this. But let me say something. Ever since I was born, I have never heard that Nigeria is producing maybe vessel, ship, missile. In fact, all these wonderful ammunitions that maybe other countries can come and import. But now, Nigeria is waking up. Watch this video. You will see that Nigeria is about to produce or manufacture a vessel. Remember, vessel is used to move oil from one country to another, or to move some commodities from state to state or from one place to another. So Nigeria now is producing a powerful vessel through Nigerian Navy. Just watch this. When we come back, we'll discuss. Enjoy.
Inside Nigeria's naval dockyard in Lagos, sparks fly as engineers cut steel and assemble what the Navy hopes will become the future of its fleet. For decades, the country relied heavily on foreign-built vessels, but the Navy has been slowly growing its fleet with locally manufactured vessels.
Each version of the boats we have been producing, there have been constant improvements on that. So I believe we'll continue on that state, and soon we'll not only produce for ourselves, but possibly produce for other nations.
The longer-term objective, he says, is to build advanced vessels. Some of the boats built here have already been tested in the fight against piracy and oil theft. The dockyard also provides technical and maintenance support to the navies of other countries as well as commercial vessels. Hundreds have been fixed here.
Right here we have two vessels, two patrol boats from the Republic of Benin Navy. They are here as part of an agreement between the naval dockyard and the Beninois Navy to refit 6 of their vessels. In fact, as I speak, 3 have already been delivered.
From design to construction, young cadets, engineers, and naval architects are involved in long-term push for maritime self-reliance. The effort comes as Nigeria continues to battle piracy, crude oil theft, and smuggling across the Gulf of Guinea and Niger Delta.
Nigeria says local manufacturing by its Navy helps to reduce dependence on expensive foreign suppliers while creating jobs and maintaining its maritime security. But questions remain on whether the government is prepared to fund this drive to maintain a strong defense manufacturing sector long term.
For now, the Navy sees projects like this as part of a broader ambition, protecting Nigeria's waters with vessels increasingly made at home, growing local talents and the economy.
Nigeria is waking up, yes, because if Nigeria continue like this, in no distant time, they will start doing something great that other countries will emulate and start building, especially Africans. So this is a very wonderful move, and if Nigeria continues like this, in no distant time, Nigeria will develop. That is my prayer. I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you think concerning this wonderful move? Drop your opinions in the comment section. Let's know what you think. For more news and updates like this, subscribe. See you in the next one, and bye.